Teardown's in the reverse order. You're going to unplug your light power supply. Remember, your multi-outlet and extension cord are yours, so please do not forget those in the booth. In case the countersunk off, the water comes off too. Stagger your end caps. They are rolled in the same piece of plastic. You want to make sure that your graphics are both facing the right way in the same piece of plastic. Make it easier, you can just fold that piece of plastic right over and slide them right in. Folding the plastic bags over makes it a lot easier when you roll your graphics to place them back into the case. You do want to roll each one of your graphics individually with the graphic side out. And when you place it into the case, just give it a quick twist, let it expand. The top bars slide off, up, and off. And the two middles are clips, so they will take a little bit of force to come out, but they will pop. And then you slide up on the bottom. Now with your lights. Your light clip, slide to remove, and slide your bracket off. Your last bar will have to be doubled up in the bag with another set of magnetic strips. Now for your frame, you do want to remove it away from the back wall, just a couple steps. You're going to look for your red center hub, and you're going to apply pressure to the back going out, and from the front coming towards you, just by rocking it. And then it will collapse on you. All right, please place your frame into the bag in which it was pulled from. Grab all of your cords. Place your lights into the cutouts, into the case. Some people do have some troubles aligning the cases. You do have a bracket here that sometimes gets caught on the inside of the case. Just lift it up and adjust as needed. Turn on your butterfly clasp to the locked position. This is where you will use your FedEx label. Apply it to the case itself, not just to the lid. If the latches fail on the lid, we will just get the lid back and no materials. And then take the pressure sensitive labels and apply as needed, lid and case. So if there are any questions for shipping or during setup, there's an after hours emergency contact number at the very bottom of your return shipping instructions. and that number will take you to Michael Ing. Michael Ing will answer any of your questions, be able to get you the information that you need.